this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. I just wanted to update y'all. I do have lots of videos that need to come out. I just haven't had the time to edit them. This last week or so, a week and a half, I'm exhausted. So I'm sleeping as much as I can, when I can. So that means I'm taking a nap even after breakfast, which I normally don't do. I'm taking a long nap after lunch, which I normally take just a short one. And then I'm usually in bed by 7 o'clock, 7:30. So instead of 7:30, 8 o'clock, maybe 8:30. Instead of, I get up at 1:30 in the morning, I usually have 2 cups of coffee. I still feel like I haven't woken up even after that when I start my work at 3 o'clock in the morning. So just bear with me. When it comes time, trust me, I will get these videos out. I got like 6, 7 videos coming out. 3 or 4, maybe 5 of them are food videos. I've lost track, but they're all on my SD card. I just got to edit them in. So I got some beautiful sunrise. I got all this. I just haven't had the time. So bear with me. Next time I tell somebody I'm going to do 3 months on a boat, somebody kick my ass. And kick it good, kick it off the boat, kick it in the river, kick it down the road, whatever. Don't make me do this 3 months again. I'm tired. Alright, people. I want to thank you for being there. Thank you for supporting me. If you're new to my channel, trust me, I usually have more videos coming out than this, but like I said, you just heard it. Alright, people. You have an awesome day. Oh, if you're new to my channel, see, I'm tired. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscribe button. If you want more notifications, click on that bell. And leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, and I will respond. Alright, y'all people, have an awesome day. I'm still doing a turkey dinner, which the turkey is done, but the rest is in the oven. This is Sunday. I'm going to bed. Alright, people. Love you all. Night.